remember. Here also the number of characters or more, that doesn't matter, so be very clear about that, okay? But the order you have to always remember. Generally what I have seen with students, especially beginners, is they fix the position in reverse order, they'll try to pick up the data also in the reverse order. The data pickup is never in the reverse order. Now the next thing what you need to always check is, say like I'm trying to keep my position with respect to a positive state, that is 5. But here the number of characters what we are picking up are, say like I'm saying -3. When the number of characters of what you are picking up are negative, then automatically it returns a null value. You can just watch here. So your number of characters what you are picking up cannot be negative. At the same time it cannot be 0. If you give 0 also, it automatically gives you nulls. These are areas where we need to be very specific to the rule of the execution and start working. And finally, you just give any data, let us say something like 4.56, that's a floating point value. And then you are trying to say 6.75, that's another kind of floating point value. When you are giving floating point values, it will automatically take only the real part. So fixes the position at D. From there it will pick up 6 characters and it gives you. So floating point values will never disturb any part of the process. So when you give any numbers in floats, it takes only the integers out of the process and then it completes the issue. Now when you are getting the nulls, if you can take the assistance of the specific functions and if you can work, definitely you can keep up yourself better. Therefore, the last class itself I was telling you where you should call which function. It's totally on your shoulder of practice and the way you are taking up your functions. The more you can know about your functions and their behaviors, the more best you can always give the basic outputs. So you just watch here, suppose I am saying this is 6 and then here I am giving my position by saying ampersand of give char. How many characters you want? We are just asking them. Now you just check, I am calling my NVL in this